Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a birthday card for my oldest niece. I set a reminder for myself. Okay, we're doing a pop and twist card. I already cut everything out off camera. So I cut out this piece, the pop and twist part. Okay, so we can put that away. And then I used this scalloped edge to cut out mats, and then I used a book of pop out letters to pop out her name. Okay, let me put this away before it gets lost. I am using the Happy Birthday 6x6 paper pad by Echo Park. I'm almost out of this. I'm gonna have to get another girl birthday pad because I'm almost out. And then I took out these. I want to mat. I don't know if I want to mat. I might want to do, is there something else? Is there something else? I mean, I have other things. What about the orange plaid with the pink? Yeah, let's do that. That's too much pink. And I don't really have anything else. Okay, and then I'm going to use Happy Birthday from this May stamp set and the word celebrate for the front from this stamp set. And then I have a pre-made card base and a pre-made envelope. Let's cut our papers down. Our card has to go this way, so we need our mat to be 4 by 5 1/4, and then we need this to be, let's cut that off. Let's do it maybe 2.5 inches. I don't know. Let's see. Let's actually do it 2 inches, and I think this got cut crooked. So I'm going to recut it. I think it's slit. And then 5 1/4. Okay, so it'll go like this. Good. And then this piece here needs to be 1.5. Okay, by 5. So we can have a little bit of a mat. Okay, come here. Right here. Like so. Okay, good. Let's get rid of the scraps I won't be able to use and put everything back in that paper pad. That way they're all together. All right. Okay, so we have that. Let's get my Misty, do our stamping. Use the word celebrate. Celebrate. Leave that right there. And then there's these little stars. Why don't we put the little stars around? Come on, get off my finger. Pencil. Pencil eraser, okay? Pencil eraser. And there's 2 more. And a little teeny tiny one. I'm going to leave the little teeny tiny one alone because it is tiny. Okay, let's get this back where it belongs. And clean that off before I put my finger in it. There we go. Super cute. Okay. And now we're going to stamp out the happy birthday on the inside of the card. So then all of our stampings, what happened here? I don't know. I don't know. I put that on crooked. I like when stamp companies make this all one piece, so it's easier to pull them apart and line them back up to put the sheet back on. Just saying. Alright, and we have this. I'm going to put this down and use the happy birthday. Happy birthday. Make sure we put this in a good spot. Let's actually do it like that. Fine, if that's the way you want to be. That's where the stamp wants to go, so okay. And then there's a little cupcake here. Let's also stamp the little cupcake. Okay. I'm always losing everything. I almost put my finger in the ink. This is why I close everything up. Okay, we're going to stamp that one last time because that did not stamp very well. There we go. Put that off to the side, clean my stamps, and put them away. I like to do that immediately or else there's problems. I feel like if I don't clean up stamps and stuff as I'm going, I will just let it sit there. Like if I would have just closed this up and put it away, I probably would have forgot it was on the MISTI. Because I don't have, this is the only thing I really have to do today. You know what I'm talking about, so I probably would have forgot. Glue. Alright. So let's glue the card front down. Get this as even as possible. And then this one. I might also add some enamel dots or something like that in here. For my youngest niece, since I forgot it was June, I didn't forget her birthday, I forgot it was June, I made her an extra special card to make up for it. So I don't want this one to be plain. I want this one also to be special, because I try not to treat my nieces any differently from each other. Okay, so once these are, your score lines are burnished, it easily folds how it's supposed to fold. It just automatically folds in. So we have that, and then we're going to accordion fold this piece. Okay, so we have this piece, and then what you do is you put it on like so. And we're going to glue it together. I'm also going to snip the top of the triangle off so it sits a little bit better in the card. So just snip off the top of the triangle, and we're going to glue this on. So we just glue right here. Okay. And then we pick this one up and glue this one down. Okay. And then we glue this into the card. So put it in the middle, and I'm going to clip this closed, and I will be back. I want to let this sit and dry. Okay, I'm going to be honest, I'm on a struggle bus with this card. I did not put it in the middle. When I opened it to check, it was not in the middle, so I had to move it. So then I had to put a mat down because you could see where it was torn. On the bottom side you can't, but on the top side you could. So I had to move it. I had to mat it, which is fine. So we're just going to put these on here like so. And then her name is 6 letters long and not 4. So I'm going to have to finagle it a little bit, which is fine. I had already worked it out before I started the video. So we're all good. I'm going to put the A. To an A close to the edge here. And then the LE. Okay. I need tweezers, reverse tweezers, so I can put glue down. So I'll put the L, the E on the second one, and it shifted. Okay, and the X and the I on the third one. She is 14 this year. 14. I'm telling you. It feels like she was just a baby. She's 14. Her sister turned 12. My kid turned 21. There we go. How cute is that? That is very cute. Put my pin in my glue, put my glue away. And then it just turns. See, it turns. Okay, and then when it opens up, it pops open. Look how cute it is. She's going to love it. I think she's going to love it. All right. I think I'm going to have my boyfriend send it out. It's a little thick. But he has to go to the post office tomorrow anyway to send out a commission journal. There we go. I think it's adorable. I love it so much. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you like this card. I believe this die is a Karen, I can never say her last name, die. I will try to remember to link it in my Amazon storefront. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next crafty video.